Okay, so I had a pimple here which was insanely large for 2 weeks of my life, which I spent pretty much removing it. I put every treatment I could, and these are the only things that work. So you can still pretty much see the scarring, can't you? So listen to me carefully, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about everyone's favorite topic, which is acne and pimples and breakouts and all that fun stuff. So if you suffer from a pimple and you want to get rid of it as soon as possible, yes, I mean just like pretty much overnight or maybe within 1 or 2 days, this is the method I personally use and it works wonders for me. It is not one size fits all, so there are a few things that I'm sharing and hopefully one of them work for you. If they do work for you, tell me in the comments section below or tag me on Instagram so I can share your story with all of my followers. Also, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription box below so you guys never miss a video from me, and let's jump straight into it. So guys, you could be breaking out right now from a couple of different reasons. This could be hormones, it could be stress, it could even be just a build-up of dead skin cells, or it could be clogged pores. There's just so many reasons that you could be breaking out from. So if you feel like you are breaking out from hormones or something that's inside your body, I recommend doing these remedies internally as well. So things that I'm gonna share, you could actually have them, and I've got an entire video on drinks that you could actually have to clear your acne. So if that is the case with you, definitely watch that video first, then watch this treatment. I believe that internal things need to be fixed before applying things on the face. So definitely try my acne remedy drinks out and then try these other spot treatments. So I'm gonna jump into the first spot treatment, which is a really super powered spot treatment. You only need to apply a tiny bit of this treatment and it will do wonders for you guys. You only need a couple of ingredients. We've got 4 powerful ingredients. You're going to need a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is so amazing because it is not only antibacterial, it is anti-inflammatory. That really nasty red inflammation on our skin is going to be calmed by using something like cinnamon. I actually grind up my own cinnamon at home and I use that for all my remedies. I even use it for my drinks, and that's what I recommend you to do. The other superpower ingredient is, you guessed it guys, turmeric, aka haldi, aka our best friend in a desi household. So haldi or turmeric it's from the ginger family. It is a superpower ingredient. It is jam-packed with goodness because it is, wait for it, anti-inflammatory, it's an antioxidant, and it is antibacterial. So if you watch my acne drinks, I drink turmeric milk, but in this remedy I'm going to be applying it on my skin. Turmeric has a compound called curcumin which will help decrease the skin inflammation, and this could be from oil buildup or from bacteria on the skin surface, but it will get deep down and really just unclog all that bad stuff. The other thing we're going to be using is honey. Honey is my honey because I love honey because not only is it delicious, I use it on my hair, my skin, because it is so good for you. It's also going to reduce inflammation. It's an antibacterial, and I recommend using the raw unprocessed version. I go to my farmer's market and I get my honey from there, which is raw and unfiltered. And if you want the goodness out of your honey, please make sure that you're using 100% honey, guys. Don't use anything that's just sugar syrup. The other thing, which is probably one of the most important ingredients in this spot treatment, is neem oil. I bet you don't know what this is if you're not a desi, so definitely go to your desi or Indian Pakistani grocery store if you don't know what this is. This is a superpower ingredient because in Ayurvedic medicine we believe that this is like an antidote for acne and blemishes. You only need literally a drop of this, and this will literally just help kill that pimple. It will burn that pimple from its core. It's got a fatty acid in the oil which actually helps with scar reduction, and good thing is it's non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores. So the recipe is as below. It's in the description box below. You only need a pinch of each ingredient, and we're gonna mix it up and apply it on that nasty pimple. And what we're gonna do after that is leave it on for as long as possible, guys. If you want, you can put like a band-aid on top of your pimple, or the other thing I love to do is I like to put like a pimple patch on my pimple, and that just makes sure I'm not touching this treatment, and it just works really well. If you want to, you can leave it overnight and it will be like life-changing for you guys. So enough with the turmeric, let's move on to green tea. So there are two ways that I absolutely love to use green tea in my acne fighting routine. So the first way is to use a tea bag, like just a normal tea bag of green tea, and all you need to do is empty this out and put it in hot water and steam your skin. The green tea infused water will really like unclog your pores and minimize those pores, and also clear out your skin. Green tea is jam-packed with vitamin E, B2, it's anti-inflammatory, it's antibacterial. It will give you like the clearest glowing skin that you could ever have. Not only that, it is going to reduce irritation and inflammation. So if you've got like swelling or redness from acne, this will actually really calm your skin down. The other thing is, if you don't want to do the steam and you don't want that hot water on your face or that hot steam on your face, the other way that I absolutely love using green tea is using a matcha green tea mask. So it's a really easy mask to do. You just need like 1 tablespoon of matcha powder and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. So if you don't have matcha powder, you can use green tea leaves, but matcha powder is so much more dense. It is so much more jam-packed with the vitamins that your skin is going to love you for. It is actually quite affordable. You can find it at Asian grocery stores and it tastes delicious. So why not keep it in your fridge? I mean, wait, in your pantry. So this mask is amazing. I've shared it on my channel maybe a year ago and I still love it to date. If I have a skin reaction, even if I don't have acne, if I have like an allergic reaction to something, I always whip this up and put it on my face, and I promise guys, it works wonders for my skin. So definitely try this as a full face mask. And what else are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about my favorite acne cream. So if you want a quick cheap acne cream or something like a spot treatment that is not a DIY, you can always apply aspirin on your skin. So maybe just mix a little bit of aspirin and honey and apply it to the spots. That really helps, and I shared this years ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago on my channel, how much it helps. But there is another cream which is absolutely like my favorite acne cream ever. So this is an Asian cream, Cantella Cream, and the way it works is it actually helps reduce the inflammation again. It's also antibacterial, but this is like a leaf kind of Ayurvedic treatment again, and I don't know the full name, it's quite complicated. I will put it on the screen, but this is the only cream that I feel like works for me other than Benzac. So this treatment has really helped with pimples which are active. I just put it on at night and I go to sleep, and it just, yeah, it clears them by the morning. It's just something I really recommend for you guys, and it's also cheap. Also, the size, like the pot it comes in, will last you a lifetime. I'm not sponsored to do this. I genuinely bought this cream and tried it, and it is amazing. So lastly, the treatment which has also really helped my skin is retinol. So retinol is not everyone's cup of tea, especially if you've got sensitive dry skin. My skin is also peeling right now from actually retinol, and retinol is used for acne in the pharmaceutical world. A lot of people that suffer from long-term acne use retinol treatments on their skin. There are so many retinoids that you can buy, but if you've never used retinol before, check with your doctor. You can get some over the counter and start with them. But if you do suffer from pimples or acne, like a lot of it, and you suffer from it all the time, this is just something to look into and talk to your doctor. Retinol not only helps with anti-aging, but it really helps with getting rid of acne and getting rid of pimples. So if I am having like a bad skin day, if I've broken out, like 2 weeks ago I broke out here, and I pretty much broke out all like along my jawline, and I knew it was just, maybe it was just hormones or whatever it was. I just knew I was having bad skin. I applied retinol all over my face and I went to sleep, and I just feel like they disappeared overnight. So retinol really works for my skin, but again, it's different for every country, and like you just have to talk to your doctor and see what works for you. There are photostable ones and non-photostable ones. This is an entire different video that I should be talking about, but definitely try retinols if you haven't on your acne. I feel like they just clear up the acne, and that's what they're meant to do anyways. So that is the last thing that I usually do if I am suffering from acne. And as always, don't forget to drink water, because sometimes you just need water and all your life problems will be fixed. On that note, I'm going to be signing out, guys. If you have an acne remedy which I haven't mentioned, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you have tried one of my recipes or one of my remedies and they've worked for you, please let me know in the comments section below as well, or tag me on Instagram so I can share it with all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go and drink some more turmeric milk. Okay, bye.